Imagine waking up every morning to a new breathtaking view. Having all the comforts of home at your fingertips and never having to worry about maintenance or property taxes again. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not as far-fetched as you might think. In today's video, we retake a look at the top 5 luxury RVs that will make you sell your house and hit the road. These aren't your average recreational vehicles. They're on a whole other level of luxury, offering everything from gourmet kitchens to home theater systems that will blow your mind. So, get ready to say goodbye to your mortgage and hello to a life of adventure with these incredible RVs that redefine the meaning of luxury on wheels. Number 5. The Sovereign Fifth Wheel by Grand Design. The Sovereign Fifth Wheel is the epitome of luxury RV living. This 42-foot beauty has all the bells and whistles you could ask for, including a stunning residential kitchen with top-of-the-line appliances, solid surface countertops, and custom cabinetry. The open floor plan seamlessly connects the kitchen to the living area, creating a spacious and inviting atmosphere for entertaining guests. And when it's time to relax, retreat to the master suite with its plush queen-size bed, walk-in closet, and spa-like bathroom with a separate shower and tub. But that's not all! The Sovereign also features a convenient washer and dryer combo, a 50-inch TV, and a home theater system that will make you feel like you're in your own private cinema. And with the fully automated level system, you can be sure that ULL always have a smooth and comfortable ride, no matter where the road takes you. Whether you're camping in the great outdoors or boondocking off the grid, this fifth wheel has everything you need to live in style and comfort. Number 4. The Prevost Carrot. The Prevost Carrot is a luxurious motorhome that redefines elegance and comfort on the road. With its European design and craftsmanship, the Prevost Carrot exudes sophistication from the moment you step inside. The interior boasts handcrafted cabinetry, premium fabrics and finishes, and a spacious layout that maximizes every inch of the 42-foot length. You'll feel like you're traveling in style and comfort. One of the standout features of the Prevost Carrot is the attention to detail. From the polished wood floors to the custom-made curtains, every aspect of the interior has been carefully designed to create a sense of luxury and refinement. The attention to detail extends to the exterior as well, with a sleek and aerodynamic design that not only looks impressive, but also ensures a smooth and comfortable ride. Under the hood, the Prevost Carrot is powered by a Cummins ISL engine, which provides plenty of power and torque for navigating any terrain with ease. The Freightliner chassis and full-body paint job add to the durability and longevity of this motorhome, making it a reliable companion for your travels. The Prevost Carrot is not just a motorhome, it's a statement of luxury and refined taste. Whether you're traveling across country or just looking for a unique and unforgettable vacation experience, the Prevost Carrot is sure to impress. No. 3. The Alliance Paradigm Fifth Wheel. The Alliance Paradigm Fifth Wheel is a testament to the brand's commitment to innovation, quality, and customer satisfaction. This 45-foot RV is one of the largest and most luxurious fifth wheels on the market, and it truly sets the standard for high-end RV living. The attention to detail is evident throughout the Paradigm, from the handcrafted cabinetry to the plush furnishings and top-of-the-line appliances. The open floor plan creates a sense of spaciousness and allows you to entertain guests in style. The Master Suite is a true sanctuary with a king-size bed, a walk-in closet, and a spa-like bathroom with a large shower and dual vanities. But the Paradigm isn't just about luxury, it's also incredibly functional. The kitchen is a chef's dream with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and plenty of storage space. And the outdoor kitchen is perfect for grilling and entertaining. Plus, with the optional off-grid package, you can enjoy all the comforts of home even when you're far from a hookup. The Alliance Paradigm is built on a heavy-duty aluminum frame and features a rough road handling package, making it perfect for exploring off-the-beaten-path destinations. With its powerful engine options and advanced technology, the Paradigm delivers a smooth and comfortable ride no matter the terrain. No wonder that the Alliance Paradigm is the ultimate fifth wheel for those who demand the best. It's a luxurious, spacious, and versatile option that lets you travel in style and comfort. Number 2. The Newmar London Motor Coach. If you're seeking an RV that embodies both luxury and adventure, then the Newmar London Motor Coach is the perfect choice for you. This 48-foot diesel pusher is designed for those who appreciate the finer things in life without compromising on functionality and performance. Step inside the London and you'll immediately notice the attention to detail and the use of high-quality materials. The interior is spacious and bright with large windows that offer panoramic views of the road ahead. The galley-style kitchen is fully equipped with top-of-the-line appliances, Korean countertops, and plenty of storage space. You'll feel right at home here. The London also features a cozy living area with comfortable seating and a fireplace, creating the perfect ambiance for relaxing after a long day on the road. The master suite is truly a sanctuary with a king-size bed, a walk-in closet, and a spa-like bathroom with a separate shower and tub. But the luxury doesn't stop there. The London also features a rear entertainment center with a 55-inch TV and a complete audio system, perfect for enjoying your favorite movies and music. And with the optional skylight sunroof, you can stargaze from the comfort of your bed. The Newmar London Motor Coach is built on a Freightliner XCM chassis and comes equipped with a Cummins ISL engine, ensuring a smooth and powerful ride. With its tag, axle, and full-body paint, this motor coach is built to last and will turn heads wherever you go. If you're looking for a luxury RV that checks all the boxes, then the Newmar London Motor Coach is the perfect choice for you. Number 1. The Grand Design Solitude Fifth Wheel. Introducing the epitome of luxury fifth-wheel living. The Grand Design Solitude. This 45-foot beauty is designed for those who demand the very best in both style and comfort while on the road. As you step inside, you'll immediately notice the spaciousness of the interior. Complete with a gourmet kitchen featuring top-of-the-line appliances and elegant finishes, the living area is perfect for entertaining guests or relaxing with family. While the master suite offers a peaceful retreat with a comfortable king-size bed and a spa-like but the Solitude isn't just about luxury. It is also built to last with a heavy-duty aluminum frame and a smooth ride even on the roughest roads. The attention to detail is what truly sets the Solitude apart. From the handcrafted cabinetry to the plush carpeting and high-quality fabrics, you'll feel like you're living in a 5-star hotel. And with the fully automated level system and 6-point hydraulic jacks, you'll always have a smooth and comfortable stay no matter where you park. Whether you're camping in the great outdoors or boondocking off the grid, the Solitude has everything you need to live in style and comfort. So if you're ready to experience luxury fifth wheel living at its finest, look no further than the Grand Design Solitude. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the world of luxury RVs. We hope we've inspired you to take the road less traveled and to explore all the amazing places that await you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting content. Safe travels and happy adventuring.